Everybody, I thought you might just want to have a quick overview of my bike and my riding equipment. So first we have the bike, obviously. It's 2007 Specialized S-Works Enduro. Got Fox GHX-R 5.0 in the rear, a Fox 36 in the front, and amazing suspension settings. Running some Shimano XTR brakes, Bontrager pedals, Bontrager grips and seat. Got my helmet right here. It's just it's called Freetown Lumineer. Got a light in the back of it. Could be getting a new Pro-Front pretty soon. But for a riding bag, I have an REI Co-op Flash 18. Oops. That's not supposed to come off like that. Just be back on there. Fixed. Got some Fox gloves, or Fox knee pads. Oh, right. Where'd they go? Hold up. Let's try to find these real quick. There they are. Yeah. Turning some Fox Ranger gloves. Had them for about 2.5 years. Still serving me amazingly. But yeah, it's all my riding gear. Thank you for watching. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.